Hello everyone, today we're investigating Oxenloria Shop, an online clothing store you may have seen advertised. Since we couldn't find verified independent reviews, let us teach you about how to verify any suspicious clothing store to protect yourself from the fake fashion e-shop epidemic. Clothing scams attract the most victims in online shopping. Norton's analysis showed fake e-stores that sell clothing attract the most traffic, with women's apparel being the primary lure in 8 out of 10 countries. Fake fashion stores are now one of the top 3 most damaging online scams according to the FTC and BBB. 8 critical red flags to check. Number 1. URL inspection. Scammers use numbers instead of letters, like 1 instead of lowercase l, to make URLs look legitimate. Fake URLs include unnecessary words like ripcurlseller.com instead of ripcurl.com. Number 2. Unrealistic discounts. One victim saw a fake site advertising 70% off when the legitimate retailer's biggest discount was only 40%. If a deal seems too good to be true, they probably are. Exercise caution with blanket discounts on all products. Number 3. Poor quality content. Scammers don't go for effort in making sites look genuine. There's a lack of care with layout, product ads, and descriptions. One fake Kathmandu site didn't even put a company's name in its About Us section. Number 4. Missing contact information. Trustworthy stores make it easy to contact them with physical addresses and phone numbers. Fake websites hide behind contact forms or don't offer real support options. Number 5. No independent reviews. Google store name reviews, or is the website legit to buy from? Sites like Trustpilot or Reddit are gold mines. Fake sites may fake a few reviews, but they can't fake an entire reputation. Number 6. No social media presence. Most legal businesses are active on at least one social media platform. If provided social icons go nowhere, be suspicious. Number 7. Suspicious payment methods. Sellers demanding payment by wire transfer, money order, or gift cards are red flags. Legitimate retailers don't want payment in those ways. And finally, number 8. AI-enhanced scams. AI has made it easy for scammers to create extremely realistic photos and videos. Technology takes every red flag out, perfect grammar and contact information among them. What actually happens when you order? You'll find a trendy jacket at 80% off. The site looks professional, checkout is smooth, confirmation email arrives right away, but then nothing. No shipping updates, no customer service replies, no package on your doorstep. How to verify any online store, including Oxenloria. Step 1. Domain age check. Use WHOIS lookup or scam advisor. Sites created in the last 3 to 6 months are suspicious. Step 2. Search for independent reviews. Google Oxenloria scam or Oxenloria reviews on Trustpilot, Reddit, and social media, not just their own site. Step 3. Verify contact information. Look for physical addresses. Verify on Google Maps, working phone number, and responsive email with matching domain. Step 4. Reverse image search. Use Google to check if product photos appear on AliExpress, Alibaba, or legitimate retailers, indicating stolen images. Step 5. Check social media. Look for active accounts with real followers, genuine engagement, and history going back months. Step 6. Use security tools. Try NordVPN's Link Checker or McAfee Web Advisor to scan for blocklisted domains and phishing traps. The final verdict: for Oxenloria or any unverified store, research first, buy later. The fake fashion e-shop epidemic is real, with criminals operating tens of thousands of fake stores, stealing tens of millions from shoppers. Stick to established retailers with years of verified reviews, transparent contact info, and real social media presence. Your money and identity deserve protection. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos.